Ha? Joanna. Palagpakan niyo naman po si Joanna. Ha? Ha? What's your name? Ha? Jacob Christine. Jacob Clyde. Palagpakan niyo naman si Jacob Clyde. How old are you, Jacob Clyde? 66 years old. Palagpakan niyo 66 years old. Okay, may asawa ka na? Wala ka. Okay, urong ka dito ng konti. Okay, all you have to do, Jacob, you want to learn some magic? Are you brave? Okay, all you have to do is stand up straight, face the audience, chin up, hands on your side, stomach in. Di kaya? Smile na lang. Smile. Big smile. Yeah, smile big. Big smile. Like this, like this. Yeah. Jacob, okay, before we start our magic, Jacob, I have here my party hat, the most powerful party hat, and you will wear this party hat until the party ends, okay? Again, I have here my party hat, the most powerful party hat, and you will wear this party hat. It's not a party hat. Okay, I have here my party hat, and you will wear this party hat until the party ends. But before that, face the audience, Jacob, and I will comb your hair first. Okay, smile, smile, show your teeth, and you need a toothbrush. Ayaw mo. Again, I have here my party hat, and you will wear this party hat until the party ends. So, sige, isuot mo ni party hat. It's not a party hat. Okay, I have here my snake. Who wants to see my snake? Raise your hands. Who wants to touch my snake? Raise your hands. Jacob, are you brave? Gusto mong hawakan yung snake? Very good. Ready. Don't shout. Don't scream. Okay? Baka magulat yung snake. Sige ko, ha? Ready? Ready. I have here my snake. Don't worry, ha? Don't worry. First time ko palang gagawin ito, ha? Ready? I have here my snake. A very large snake. 1, 2, and 3. It's not a snake, ha? It's a rat, okay? Don't worry, face the audience. I am here! My snake. Music. A very large snake. Face the audience, face the audience. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. One more. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. One more. Yes. I have here my fish. No. I have here my rat. No. I have here my snake. A very large snake. I have here my friend. And meet my friend. Oh, say hi to my friend. Say hi. Come on, hold it. Come on, hold it. Hold it. Hold it. It's a toy. It's a toy. Don't be scared. It's a toy. Oh, come on. Wala pa kanina mo si Jacob. Don't worry, I'm just kidding. Kaya come here, halika rito. Hindi, dalawa kayo. Yan, halika. Anong pangalan mo? What is your name? Dito, ha? What is your name? Ha? Christine din? Ha? Anong pangalan? Kevin. Before we start, Kevin, I want you to meet Jacob. Jacob, Kevin, shake hands. Shake hands. Tapos, kiss mo si Kevin. Kiss mo si Kevin. Kevin! Kevin, what is your favorite color? Pink. What is your favorite color? Pink. Are you sure? Darna. How this when I will teach you magic? Are you sure? How pink? And you, Jacob, what's your favorite color? Pink. Okay. All this pink magic. Come on, and purple, and I will teach you magic. All you have to do, just follow me, Kevin and Jacob. All you have to do, follow me like this. Very good. One more. Very good. Very good. And then 2 steps to the left. 1, 2. Yeah. To the right. To the right. 1, 2. Very good, Kevin. You're doing it. Huh? One more. 1, 2. Very good, Jacob. You have a bright future. 1, 2. 1, 2. And after this, you know how to do magic. Okay? But before that, just wear this first, Kevin. Just wear this first, okay? Mommy and Daddy, before we start, palakpakan niyo naman Kevin and Jacob. Ready? Bow your heads. Come on. Bow your heads. And then, shake your hips. Kevin, ng konti, Kevin. Kebot na konti. Very good, very good. Kebot na konti, Jacob. Very good, Jacob. Kebot na konti. Yeah, very good. And then music, please. To the right. Very good. To the left. To the right. To the right. Under. Jacob, under. Jacob. Over. Turn around. Yes. And then shake your hips, Jacob. Shake your hips, Jacob. Yeah. Lower. Yan. Take a bow. Clap your hands for these tickets. Thank you so much for a very beautiful dance number, Kevin. Come here. Okay, don't worry. You have a prize. And Jacob, don't worry. You have a prize. And here's your prize. Wow. Okay, what will you say? Mommy and Daddy, every event ko po sa mga KD parties, yung mga volunteer ko po tulad po nila, binibigyan ko po sila ng mga magic toys, magic props. Ngayon po kasi nag-iisa na lang nagkakaubos po kasi Burmans, medyo malakas po yung buwings. Kaya mag-share na lang muna kayo, ha? Just share it, huwag kayo mag-aaway, ha? After mo gamitin, gagamitin mo. After mo gamitin, gagamitin mo. Huwag mag-aaway. Promise, ha? Promise? O, shake hands kayo, shake hands. Tapos kiss mo si Kevin, Enjoy. Huwag kayo mag-aaway dyan, masasabi ko lang. Once again, Jacob and Kevin! Get your prize. Kaya saan meron silang prize? Kaya saan? Meron silang prize.
Hindi totoo yan.
Kaya saan will be?
Hindi totoo yan.
It's not prize. Ito totoo, sir. Okay, now for my next